Good morning students. Today we study science of class 6 chapter 10 measurement of distance and motion. Today we describe some types of motion such as rotatory motion, rolling motion, periodic motion and oscillatory motion. The first point is rotatory motion. The motion of a body in which every particle on it moves along a circular path about a fixed axis is known as rotatory motion. For example, motion of a potter's wheel and the motion of a spinning top. This type of motion is known as rotatory motion. If a body is rotated around a fixed axis is known as rotatory motion. Motion of the potter's wheel, the potter's wheel should be rotated around a fixed axis, and the motion of the spring top, it is also around a fixed axis. This type of motion is called rotatory motion. Next is rolling motion. The motion in which a body undergoes both translatory as well as rotatory motion is called rolling motion. In rolling motion, for example, motion of a cylinder or motion of a bicycle of the wheel. The motion of the bicycle of the wheel is also in translatory motion, in linear motion and also a rotatory motion. This type of motion is also called rolling motion. If a body roll on the another surface is known as rolling motion. Next point is periodic motion. The motion which repeat itself at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion, which repeats the motion at a regular interval of time. For example, motion of earth around the sun. Earth moves around the sun after a fixed interval of time, that is periodic motion. Motion of pendulum of clock. The pendulum of clock will rotate about a fixed interval of time. This type of motion is called periodic motion. Next point is oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is to and fro motion about a mean position, just like simple pendulum. So this is known as to and fro motion about a fixed point or mean position is known as along the same path is called oscillatory motion. For example, motion of the heart, to and fro motion also. A child on a swing, if a child moving on a swing, to and fro motion about a fixed point is known as oscillatory motion. So student, in this video we study about rotatory motion, rolling motion, periodic motion and oscillatory motion. Thank you so much students.